Hello, good evening to each and everyone. So welcome to my channel. This time I'll be sharing to you the tips and tricks in Microsoft Word. By the way, I'm Engineer Rodrigo Picalapan. So before I proceed, let me share my screen. So when we are going to open Microsoft Word document, this would be actually uh, the interface of the document that you will be able to encounter. So this time, the first tip that I'll be sharing to you is all about adding table. Okay, adding table. So definitely when we are going to add a table, the only thing that we have to do is to go to insert, and then we can just okay add as many tables that we want to. Okay, 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 that's as easy as that. Okay, so if you have something to merge, then we just have to highlight, then right click, then merge. So kung gusto naman natin mag-add ng row ng table na kaparehas sa row 1, okay, dito lang po i-position natin yung ating cursor, then press enter. So if we have to insert another uh, line with this table, we just have to insert and then draw table, and say for example you have to come up with another line here. Okay, that's it. So here's the other line. So that's as easy as that. Another way of adding the table is by just having a shortcut, no? plus sorry plus minus 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 plus minus 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 plus then minus minus plus and press enter. So the minus minus up there determines the laki ng ating column. And if you want to add columns, just press tab, tab, tab. Again, the only thing that you have to do is plus minus 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 plus minus 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 plus, and then press enter. There you go. Okay, just as easy as that. The next tip that I'll be sharing to you is on how are we going to add lines, no? Add or adding lines. So in adding lines, uh, one thing that we have to do is just very simple, no? We have, say for example, we are going to have a dotted line. All we have to do is just to have an asterisk, 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 then enter. If you want to come up with a single line, we have minus, 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 and then enter. If you want to come up with a double line, we have equals, 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 and then enter. So that is as simple as that. The next thing that we're going to do is on how are we going to generate arrow. So tips on how are we going to generate arrow. So what we are going to do is, of course, we have here equal, greater than. Okay, again, equal, greater than. And then, okay, kung gusto mo naman baliktad, we have here less than, sorry, less than, equal. Okay, less than, equal. Okay, take note of it. Another thing is a double arrow. So we have here less than, equal, no, sorry, less than, uh, equal, okay, sorry, less than, equal, greater than. Okay, again, less than, equal, greater than. So another arrow is that we are going to have is uh, uh, yung walang fill, no, sa loob. So ang gagawin lang po natin is equal, then greater than, then space. Again, equal, greater than, then equal, greater than, then space. Ay, sorry, nandito sa kabila pala. Equal, greater than, then space. Okay. So the fourth tip, okay, the fourth tip that we are going to do is uh, on creating copyright, register, or trademark. So what we are going to do is just as simple as open parenthesis, C, close parenthesis. Okay. And then the other one is open parenthesis, R, then that one. Okay. So another thing that you have to do is for trademark. So open parenthesis, TM. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So another thing that we have to do is on generating, no? Number 5 on generating random text. Okay. So in Word, we can we can just easily generate random text. So in doing that, all we have to do is just to type equal sign, then run, open parenthesis, then we have to specify the number of paragraphs uh, that we are going to generate. Say for example, 5, then 4 lines in each paragraph. Close parenthesis, then enter. There you go. So we have here five paragraphs generated. Okay. So here's the 5 paragraphs that is being generated. Okay. That is being generated randomly. Another thing that we have to do is on how are we going to uh, uh, add no, or smart, or how are we going to activate smart lockup. So in that case, if for example, in doing that, all we have to do is, see for example, in the generated document, we have here online video. So I will just highlight and then right click search online video. There you go. Okay. So it uh, it directs you to um, uh, to a links, no, regarding online videos. Okay, regarding online videos. So that's how are we going to uh, use smart lookup. Another thing that we have to do is on protecting document. So that's the next step, 6. So protecting document. Okay, so I know if there will be documents that is actually that you are going to that you are encoding or typing that is that needs security, no? So it's a must that we have to protect the document by adding password so that when someone will be able to um, or someone is using your laptop, uh, you would not be able to read the documents. So what we are going to do is to go to file. So say for example, in this particular document, we are going to add password. So just go to info, okay, info, click info, and then there you go, protect document. Yeah, and then we can do something, no? Restrict editing, restrict access, add digital signature, and so on. So in this case, what we are going to do is to, I want the document to be encrypted with password. Okay, so wait for a moment. Okay. So I choose encrypt document with password. Yeah, there you go. It prompts me to, okay, to enter the, okay, where's the document? Right. Okay, asan na yan? Document na yan. Ay, nag-close, nag-hang pala. So, open ko lang ulit ang document. Ito, ito ba yan? Okay, wait for a moment. Nag-hang lang yung document natin. So, open na lang tayo ulit. Word. So, okay, there you go. Ito na yan. Okay. So, biglang nag-close kanina. So, what we're going to do, see for example, is in this document, ang gagawin lang po natin para mag-encrypt tayo, punta tayo sa file, then info, then protect document, then encrypt with password. So it will prompt you to enter the password in encrypting the documents. You see, for example, the password is password. Okay, re-enter the password. Okay, so that means that the document or a password is required to open the document. So if I will save this file in the what you call this in the desktop, so what we are going to do is yan, sample. So this is the sample document. Okay. Yeah, this is the document that we are. So when we open this one, okay, before it will be open. So this is the previous document that we have. Wait, sorry. Okay, so this is not the document, no? Kanina, so kung ilagay muna natin yung document natin. Password. Ay, yung password natin. So, password. So, it will open the document that we have. So, ayan. So, tulad din nito, ito yung kanina yung document natin, no? Na nag-hang at nag-close. Pero sige, lagyan natin to ng password. So, punta lang tayo sa file, then info, then protect, then encrypt with password. So, password, password. Okay, you can enter personalized password. So in this case, if I want, I will have to close this one. So I think this is the document that we encrypt. So I have to open this one. Okay, so when I open this one, before I will be able to see the content of the document, it prompt me to enter my password. So I have to enter. There you go. Okay, we will be able to see the content of the pass of the document. So next thing that we are going to do is okay on what if I sa 6 protecting password tayo. Protecting password. So okay na tayo dyan. Pang 7 is on mark the document as final. Okay. Mark as final. So in marking the document as final, what we are going to do is just to go to file, then info, then okay, so protect document and mark as final. Okay, mark as final. Okay. So when the document is marked as final, no, the editor is discouraged to edit. No, you cannot edit that anymore. However, there's still facility, no, to for you to edit the document. But when a certain document is marked as final, uh, when you share that one, uh, the uh, the person, no, the recipient will not be able to edit that particular document. Okay, so okay, ay sorry, ayan. So I open it again, so I have to enter the password. Okay. So when you see it marked as final, an author has marked this document as final to discourage editing. If you want to edit the document, you just have to click edit away. Okay. So another tip is okay, how are we going to use on screen? Okay. Keyboard in case your laptop keyboard is not working, or some of the keys in your laptop keyboard is not working. So all we have to do is just to go here or type run and then OS key. Not type OS key. OS key. That's on screen keyboard. Okay, so there you go. This is the on screen keyboard. Okay. So say for example, if you want to type something out there, there you go. Okay. So moving on. Next is on adding hyperlink. Huh? Hyperlink. How are we going to add hyperlink quickly? So what we are going to do is, say for example, okay, so I have here, okay, I have to generate again a random, what do you call this, random uh, text generation. So say for example, uh, in the document, you have here theme and styles. No? So themes and styles. So all I have to do is just to uh, control key in the keyboard. So first thing that you have to do is to highlight, no? Highlight this one, and then click, or I mean press Control K. Uh, so it will prompt you to insert a hyperlink. So say for example, what we are going to do is we have here a hyperlink. Uh, say for example, a hyperlink regarding theme and style. Okay, so I'm still looking for using here. Okay, so this I'll just have to copy the URL and put it here. Control V, and then click OK. There you go. The hyperlink is automatically added. So all I have to do is to look in, to go to that hyperlink is to click Control, then click the follow link. Of course, it will add or redirect this in the theme and styles. Okay, moving on is next thing that we are going to do is on how are we going to delete Word fast, Word document fast. Of course, you have several ways naman to delete uh, documents fast. No? We can actually uh, just press Control A and then delete. It will delete the entire content of your documents. Okay, let me undo. However, if the other way that we're going to do is on deleting is by having backspace, not that fast. Another way to quickly delete is by pressing Control in your keyboard and then backspace. Okay, it's as look at that one. It deletes the content of the word or document fast. So that's another tip. Don't forget Control backspace. The next one is to enable enable calculator. So in enabling the calculator, what we're going to do is just, okay, we have here this button, okay, click that one, then move to more commands, and then popular commands, all commands, then look for calculate. What's there's okay, this one, and then add. Okay, it has already been added. Okay, so then add. Okay, it will be added in the quick access toolbar. Then click OK. So in that case, so say for example, if we have here 140 times 8, and you are not sure with the value or the answer uh, of this particular uh, problem. So we have here 140 times 8. Then we'll just have to highlight and then go here. Okay, formula. Okay. Notice in the lower version, no, of our word, yan, the result of the calculation is 1,120. Okay, look at that one. The result, okay, the lower button, the result of calculation is 1,120. So another thing that we have to do is on how are we going to enable MS Radar? Okay. Kung tinatamad ka ng magbasa, and then gusto may magbabasa para sa'yo, pwedeng gawin natin yan, no? Okay, so paano natin i-enable yan? So, maglagay muna ako ng random text dito na ipabasa, rand 4, 3. So, ang paano natin siya i-enable ang image reader, punta lang din tayo ulit dito, no? Sa quick access toolbar, customize, and then more commands, then popular commands, all commands, then punta tayo sa speak, speak. Okay, here. So, click mo lang siya, then add. Ayan, nandito na siya sa ating quick access toolbar. Then, click OK. So, highlight natin yung gusto natin ipabasa. See, for example, in this case, ito po yon, yung speak text, selected text. Okay. Wait.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document. To make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page, and text box designs that complement each other. For example, you can add a matching cover page, header, and sidebar. Click Insert and then choose the elements you want from the different galleries.
Okay. So, yun po. Kung medyo tinatamad ka magbasa, so pwede nating someone will magbabasa sa atin, no? Para ma-enable yung si Microsoft Reader ang magbabasa para sa atin. Last na ipapagawa ko ay yung paano tayo mag-select ng one sentence quickly, no? Sa isang paragraph. So, say for example dito, ang sample na to, marami kasing way, no, sa pag-select ng paragraph or sentence. Pwede tayong i-highlight lang natin. Okay, yan, highlight. Pwedeng ganon. Okay, highlight. Kung a specific sentence, ang gagawin lang po natin, press control, then click. Okay, ayan. So, kung ano ito, ayan. Control, then click the keyboard. Okay, so another control, click. Okay, the sentence that you have to choose will automatically be highlighted. So that's it. That's the tips and tricks that I'll be sharing to you regarding Microsoft Word. I hope you learned something from me this evening. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button if you want to know more about the upcoming videos that we will be sharing. So again, thank you and good evening.